Hello, my name is PP2K, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to compile Samurai wallet from source. First, head over to your browser, search on the net for Android Studio. This is the tool we'll be using to compile Samurai wallet. Once downloaded, extract the content anywhere you like. In my case, I'm going to put them into the Documents folder. Navigate to the extracted location. Inside the Android Studio folder, there should be a bin folder. And then in there, we'll open a terminal. To launch Android Studio, enter /studio.sh. The first time you start up Android Studio, you'll be presented with the setup wizard. Just click on OK for most of these settings. Once the setup wizard is completed, Android Studio will ask you if you want to create a new project or open an existing one. Before we continue, first we'll need to obtain the source code from Samourai. Head back to our browser and navigate to code.samurai.io/wallet. Select the Samurai Wallet Android repository and then select the master branch. Click on the download button to download the source code. Extract the source code anywhere you like. In my case, I'm going to extract that to the Documents folder again. Head back to the Android Studio welcome screen and select Open an existing project. Select the folder where you have extracted the Samurai source code to and click on OK. Once the project has been imported into Android Studio, Gradle will attempt to download all the dependencies required to build the Samurai wallet. Once that is done, we will update the Android Gradle plugin as well. After Gradle has been updated, click on the Event Log button. If you see this message, Module App Platform Android 29 not found, that means our Android Studio does not have the correct SDK installed yet. Click on the magnifying glass icon on the top right hand corner, or press Shift twice to bring the Search Everywhere tool. And then search for SDK Manager. Select the corresponding API level SDK. In our case, it's API level 29. Android 10.0. Click on Apply and start the installation. Once that is done, we will also need to update our colon compiler. In the Event Log window, look for the outdated compiler message and select Update. Click on the Install button to install the latest colon compiler. Once that is done, restart Android Studio. Once again, let the background task finish first. Once Gradle has finished its task, head over to the Build menu, select Build Bundles/APKs, and Build APKs. Once the build is finished, click on Locate to open up the location of the APK. You should see app production debug.apk in this folder. I'm going to rename this to Samourai Wallet for my own convenience. Now you're ready to copy this file into your mobile device.